If you'd like to recover from your loss, stop comparing your lives with the lives of others. Don't compare. You want to really look at the lives of others, look at those who have been through more than you, who have struggled more than you, who have actually been through so much, yet they are happier than you and more content. Look at them. You look at someone, you say, this man, subhanallah, his whole business burnt down, and he's sitting or he's standing in salah, and he has a smile on his face, and his whole business burnt down. And another man, a tire blew from his car, and you know what? He is super angry and challenging the world, and he's so upset, and he can't even come to terms with it. My brother, my beloved brother, there's nothing you're going to do about it. Thank Allah that you're okay. Your tire burst. You didn't burst, did you? Allah grant us ease. Your tire burst. It's okay, we'll change it. But I missed my meeting. Forget about meeting. People have missed their loved ones, completely gone. Death has overtaken them. Life has changed completely. Imagine if someone you love the most passes away right now. You get a message to say, so and so gone. Do you know that your life will change instantly? Your meetings and your appointments and your food and your business and everything, it becomes secondary. Even your food becomes secondary. You forget to eat. That's how you become emotional, and you're overtaken by overwhelming feelings and so on. You forget. Life changed. So those small tests are nothing, man. Small. Thank Allah for them. Loss. What did you lose? I asked a youngster, has Allah ever tested you with loss? He said, yes. I said, what? He said, my cell phone. I said, Allahu Akbar. I did not belittle that. The boy was right. In my mind, I'm thinking, Allah has not yet tested you, my child. You lost your cell phone. He said, yeah, don't worry, you'll recover from the loss. He said, no, I did. I said, how? He said, my dad bought me another one. There it goes.